Have you ever considered walking barefoot on grass or earth as a powerful wellness practice? In today's fast-paced world, where we are constantly surrounded by technology and artificial environments, reconnecting with nature through wellness walks can profoundly benefit our physical and mental well-being. In this video, we will explore the numerous advantages of walking barefoot on natural surfaces, such as grass or earth, and delve into the deep connection between nature and wellness. Walking barefoot on grass or earth is a pleasant sensory experience and offers many health benefits. One of the primary advantages is the grounding effect it has on our bodies. Walking barefoot on natural surfaces, we come into direct contact with the Earth's energy, allowing us to absorb its electrons. This process, known as grounding or earthing, has been shown to reduce inflammation, improve sleep, and boost overall well-being. Moreover, walking barefoot on grass or earth can help strengthen the muscles in our feet and lower limbs, improve balance and posture, and even alleviate certain foot conditions. The varied textures and temperatures of natural surfaces stimulate the nerve endings in our feet, promoting better circulation and enhancing proprioception. Beyond the physical benefits, a profound connection between nature and wellness goes beyond the surface level. Spending time outdoors and engaging with the natural world has been linked to reduced stress levels, improved mood, and enhanced cognitive function. Nature can calm our minds, grounding us in the present moment and fostering a sense of peace and tranquility. By embracing the simple act of connecting with the earth beneath our feet, we can tap into the healing power of nature and cultivate a more profound sense of well-being in our lives. Connecting with nature. There is a profound and undeniable connection between humans and the natural world, ingrained in our DNA since the dawn of time. In today's modern society, where we are often disconnected from the rhythms of nature, taking the time to connect with the earth through barefoot walks can be a transformative experience. In this segment, we will explore the significance of immersing ourselves in nature through barefoot walks and the myriad benefits it offers for our overall well-being. One of the most striking aspects of connecting with nature through barefoot walks is its calming effect on our minds and bodies. Stepping away from the hustle and bustle of daily life and immersing ourselves in the tranquility of nature can provide a much-needed respite for our overstimulated minds. Walking barefoot further enhances the sensory experience of being in nature. When we remove the barrier of shoes and socks, we open ourselves to a new world of tactile sensations. The feeling of grass beneath our feet, the coolness of the earth against our skin, and the textures of different surfaces all contribute to a heightened awareness of our surroundings. The sensory stimulation invigorates our senses and fosters a deeper connection with the natural world. Moreover, engaging in grounding techniques such as walking barefoot on grass or earth can profoundly benefit our overall well-being. Grounding allows us to absorb the Earth's energy, balance our electromagnetic field, and promote stability and calmness. Connecting with the Earth's natural frequencies can reduce inflammation, improve sleep quality, and enhance our immune function. Connecting with nature through barefoot walks is a powerful practice that nourishes our mind, body, and spirit. By embracing the Earth's healing power beneath our feet, we can cultivate a more profound sense of connection with the natural world and experience a profound sense of well-being. Physical benefits. Walking barefoot on grass or earth offers many physical benefits beyond sensory experience. In this section, we will explore how this simple practice can profoundly impact our physical well-being, from improving balance and posture to enhancing muscle strength and joint health, as well as promoting better circulation and foot health. One critical physical benefit of walking barefoot on natural surfaces is its ability to improve balance and posture. When we walk without the support of shoes, our feet are forced to engage the muscles and ligaments responsible for maintaining stability. This, in turn, helps to strengthen the muscles in our feet, ankles, and lower limbs, leading to better balance and alignment. Walking barefoot regularly can train our bodies to adopt a more natural and efficient gait, reducing the risk of falls and injuries. Additionally, walking barefoot can have a significant impact on muscle strength and joint health. The varied textures and uneven terrain of natural surfaces challenge our muscles in ways that walking on flat, paved surfaces does not. This increased muscle engagement helps build strength in the feet, calves, and thighs, improving overall lower body strength. Furthermore, walking barefoot can help to promote joint mobility and flexibility, reducing the risk of stiffness and discomfort. Furthermore, walking barefoot on grass or earth can positively affect circulation and foot health. The gentle pressure and massage-like effect of walking on natural surfaces can help to stimulate blood flow to the feet and lower limbs, improving circulation and reducing swelling. Additionally, the natural contours and textures of the ground can help strengthen the feet muscles, promoting better arch support and overall foot health. By embracing the natural terrain beneath our feet, we can harness the earth's healing power and support our physical well-being holistically. Mental well-being. Walking barefoot in natural settings is not just a physical practice. It also offers many mental health benefits that can enhance our overall well-being. In this segment, we will delve into the profound impact of connecting with nature through barefoot walks on our mental health, from stress relief and mood enhancement to anxiety reduction and mindfulness cultivation. One critical mental health benefit of walking barefoot in natural settings is the stress-relieving effects of grounding practices. Grounding, or earthing, involves direct contact with the Earth's surface to absorb energy and restore bodily balance. This practice has been shown to reduce cortisol levels, the stress hormone, and promote a sense of calm and relaxation. By walking barefoot on grass or earth, we can ground ourselves in the present moment, release tension, and alleviate stress. Moreover, nature walks have been found to boost mood and reduce anxiety by providing a sensory-rich environment that engages our senses and calms our minds. The sights, sounds, and scents of the natural world have a soothing effect on our nervous system, helping to lower anxiety levels and elevate mood. Incorporating mindfulness practices during barefoot walks can enhance the mental health benefits of connecting with nature. Mindfulness involves paying attention to the present moment with openness and curiosity, without judgment. Practicing mindfulness during barefoot walks can deepen our connection with the natural world, heighten our sensory awareness, and cultivate a sense of peace and clarity. Tips for incorporating mindfulness during barefoot walks include focusing on the sensations in your feet, observing the sights and sounds around you, and practicing deep breathing to center yourself in the present moment. By immersing ourselves in the healing power of nature and grounding ourselves in the present moment, we can nurture our mental well-being and cultivate a sense of peace and balance in our lives. Environmental connection. Walking barefoot in natural settings benefits our physical and mental well-being and fosters a deeper connection with our environment. In this section, we will explore the intrinsic link between walking barefoot and environmental awareness, emphasizing the importance of respecting and preserving natural spaces, cultivating a deeper appreciation for the environment, and minimizing our impact while enjoying nature barefoot. One of the fundamental aspects of walking barefoot in natural settings is respecting and preserving the delicate ecosystems that surround us. Natural spaces such as forests, meadows, and beaches are home to various plant and animal species that rely on these habitats for survival. By treading lightly and being mindful of our impact on these environments, we can help protect and conserve the natural world for future generations. Engaging in barefoot walks can also foster a deeper appreciation for the environment by immersing us in nature's sights, sounds, and textures. When we walk barefoot on grass, sand, or soil, we become more attuned to the nuances of the natural world, from the softness of moss underfoot to the coolness of a stream. This sensory experience can awaken a sense of wonder and gratitude for the beauty and diversity of the environment, inspiring us to become better stewards of the earth. We must practice responsible outdoor ethics to minimize our impact while enjoying nature barefoot. This includes staying on designated trails to avoid trampling delicate vegetation, refraining from picking or disturbing wildlife, and carrying out trash or litter to leave no trace behind. Additionally, being mindful of our surroundings and respecting the natural rhythms of the environment can help us coexist harmoniously with the flora and fauna that call these spaces home. By treading lightly, cultivating a deeper understanding of our surroundings, and minimizing our impact, we can enjoy the benefits of barefoot walks while honoring and preserving the beauty of the earth. Walking barefoot on grass or earth offers many physical, mental, and environmental benefits. Physically, walking barefoot on natural surfaces can help strengthen the muscles in our feet and lower limbs, improve balance and posture, and enhance circulation and foot health. The sensory experience of walking barefoot engages our muscles in new ways, promoting strength and flexibility while supporting joint health. By immersing ourselves in the natural world's sights, sounds, and textures, we can find peace and tranquility in the present moment. Environmentally, walking barefoot fosters a deeper appreciation for the environment and encourages us to tread lightly and respect the delicate ecosystems that surround us. By minimizing our impact and practicing responsible outdoor ethics, we can help preserve the beauty and diversity of natural spaces for future generations to enjoy. Embrace the earth's healing power beneath your feet, connect with the beauty of nature, and reap the physical, mental, and environmental benefits that this practice offers. Remember to engage with our content by subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with others who may benefit from the transformative practice of walking barefoot on grass or earth. Let's embark on a journey towards holistic well-being and a deeper connection with the natural world.